Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. And till now we have finished the SSC previous year question on metal casting, welding and metal cutting operation. So in this video we will see the questions which has been asked on the topic metal forming. So this will be a very short video. There are not many questions which has been asked, and we can say that this is not a much important, at least from SSC JEE point of view. You will find a number of questions on metal casting, welding and metal cutting operation. So let us see what kind of questions has been asked on metal forming. So question number 1112, which of the following manufacturing process requires the provision of flash gutter? So we know forging, closed die forging operation, it requires a provision of what? Flash gutter, so that the excess material it can enter into that cavity. Basically it's a kind of cavity, closed die forging. Okay, next, hot working of metal is carried out what? Above recrystallization temperature. Above recrystallization temperature. So one must know what are the difference between and cold working. So next, 114, the forging of steel specifically is normally done at a temperature. So basically a forging of steel specimen is normally done at a temperature of 1100 degrees Celsius. Okay, at lower temperature the cracks may form and also the large forging force will be required. So the temperature at which forging is carried out, it is what? 1100 degree Celsius. Next, 115, in order to get the uniform thickness of plate by rolling process, one provide. So what is provided? The cambers are provided on the rolls. Next, question number 116, dies of wire drawing are made of. Dies of wire drawing are made up of what? Carbide. Yes. See, basically materials for wire drawing dies, when we talk of materials, so alloy steels can be used, or tungsten carbide, which has a very good life. Okay, if we compare the tungsten carbide die with alloy steel die, the life will be 2 to 3 times. Okay, so you can use for mass production. And as well as the diamonds for very thin wires when the excellent surface finish is required. So these are the various materials which are used in dies for wire drawing. Next, blanking and piercing operation can be performed simultaneously in simple die, compound die, progressive die, combination die. So with a compound die, several operations on a same strip may be performed in one stroke at one station. For example, let's say blanking and piercing. Okay, that can be performed simultaneously using what? Using a compound die. So correct answer will be B. Next, a moving mandrel is used in. So we know a moving mandrel is used in what? Tube drawing. Next, the process used for relieving the internal stress previously set up in the metal for increasing the machinability of a steel is full annealing, normalizing, process annealing, periodizing. So basically full annealing. What is full annealing? It is the process of heating of steel to about 50 to 75 degree Celsius above the upper critical temperature. Okay, for hypoeutectoid steel, and above the lower critical temperature for hypereutectoid steel, so that there will be not much hardness and also we can have a very good ductility. So this is about full annealing. When we talk of process annealing, it is what? It is the recrystallization of cold work steel by heating below the lower critical temperature. Okay, so that we can have the increase in machinability of steel. So in process annealing there is no grain growth. So the process which is used for relieving the internal stress which is previously set up in the metal for increasing the machinability is what? It's a process annealing. Okay, it is not full annealing. It is what? It is a process annealing. Okay, so correct answer will be C. Next, let us see two questions on engineering metrology. The crank pin is connected to the bush and the dimensions of bush and crank are given respectively in mm. So these are the dimensions given to you of bush and crank. The maximum clearance, what they have asked, maximum clearance between bush and crank. So basically how you can calculate a maximum clearance between bush and crank? See here how you can calculate. So maximum clearance, it will be equal to upper limit of bush minus lower limit of pin, lower limit of crank pin. So how you can calculate upper limit of bush? It will be what? See, this is the dimension. This is the dimension of what? This is the dimension of bush. So upper limit you have to calculate. So it will be 16.017. 16.0.7 minus. How you will calculate the lower limit? 16 minus 0.062. So how much it will be? It will be 15.938. So what answer you will get? 0.079 mm. 0.079 mm. So it will be A. So this is how you will calculate a maximum clearance. Okay. Next, according to Indian standard specification, a plain carbon steel which is designated as 40C8. 40C8 means that the percentage of carbon in it, it will be 40%, 40 divided by 100. So the correct answer will be 0.35 to 0.45 percentage. Okay, so hope you have liked this series in which we have solved almost 121 questions which has been previously asked in SSC JEE. So I think now you can prepare very well for SSC JEE for the subject production. So similarly we will try to solve the previous year questions on other subjects also, like thermodynamics, strength of material, fluid mechanics. Okay, so that it will be very easy for you to prepare for such competitive exam. So please do like and share my videos with your friends so that they will also get benefited with it, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.